It's Patrick and Lester at Pals. Lester, what are you doing to this Buick?
Changing the radiator.
Changing the radiator. So the whole front bumper has to come off of this car in order to change the radiator.
Yep.
Wow. And you're putting the brackets in right now that hold it.
Hold it in place.
You know, it's not like it used to be in the old days.
Nope. It's not. It's more compact.
Everything fits together. And look at this, folks. What's this part right here?
That's the AC condenser.
Now that condenser is almost the same size as the radiator on this car.
Correct.
Which refrigerant does this car have in it?
A134.
So this is the 134, and we still have to have a huge condenser because that's what cools the car. So the air conditioning is cooled by the condenser, the engine is cooled by the radiator, electric fans hook up to both of them. If you've got a Buick and you need a new radiator in it, bring it to Pals. We'll get you back and running cool very quickly. See you soon.